Hello my dear friends, welcome to NPS Victory. In this session my dear friends, we are going to see one PYQ from JEE mains from the chapter Trigonometry. Okay, and it is very simple question my dear friends which came in 2025 JEE mains. So let's see the solution. What is given here? Sine of 70. Okay, and this we can write down cos 10 upon sine 10, right? Into this can be write down cos 70 upon sine 70, since we know very well, and in minus 1 cot theta is nothing but cos theta divided by sine theta. Okay, so after this now we will cross multiply this. So when we will cross multiply this, it will become cos a means cos 10 into cos 70 minus sine 10 into sine 70 upon, you will get sine of 10 into sine 70, right? Now my dear students, you can cancel this. Yes or no? You can cancel this. Now if you observe this carefully, if you observe this, you can see this becomes a formula, right? Which formula? This becomes a formula of cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. That is nothing but, yes, very good, you all know this formula, right? That is cos of a plus b. Perfect. So now I am using this formula, so this will be written as cos of 10 plus 70, and upon we have only sin 10, right? So this will be cos 80 upon sin 10. Now we know very well 80 and 10, they are allied angle, they are complementary, sorry. Okay, so 80 plus 10 is 90, so they are complementary, right? So therefore cos of 80 will be equal to sine of 10, or cos of 10 will be equal to sine of 80. Okay, so therefore this will be sine 10 upon 10, and that will be equal to how much? 1. The option C. Okay, thank you so much.